Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 28th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw the rally ease a little bit today. The Dow was off 54 points, while the S&P 500 was down about 11.5 or so, and the Nasdaq was down 30. Even the Russell pulled back, down 17. Now, question is this the start of a pullback, or is this simply a one-day pause? Well, one thing to always do is wait to see if there's follow through, and that is if we get a move below today's low, then it is safe to say the pullback has started. I mean, if we look at this and you look at each candle, we were making higher highs and higher lows throughout, and today we certainly closed below the low of the previous candle. So this is a strong sign that we may be heading back here, and in the days ahead we'll monitor this to see how far back this may come. Now, TLT today did get a bounce up 89 cents, while gold did very well. It was actually up about 15 points today by the end of the session. And, this simply could be just a minor pullback before another rollover. But for now, again, we've for the first time in a long time, closed above the high of the previous day, while crude really does feel like it is on the edge of a cliff. I mean, we were trading higher today, and we did actually manage to gain about 84 cents or so, but, gave most of that back. And this really does feel like it's on the brink. If OPEC does not get that deal, I think oil goes much, much lower. Now, another chart that looks similar or has the same type of feel is Amazon. And Amazon, I think, is also on the brink here. Look at that downward momentum, fairly sharp. Tried to make a comeback here and failed. Cyber Monday, and we see a downward move here, down another 13 points here on Amazon. This really looks like it's headed lower. Now, what you want to pay attention to is obviously these previous lows here, which is an easy first target, but even more significant is that there is a fairly decent gap right down here. So we can actually come down to around the 625 level, the lower edge of that gap, and which is almost, what is that? Almost 100. And, well, I mean, we're talking about 130 points or so, 140 points. I mean, that's a significant drop right there. And, looking at the weekly, there's lots of room to move. I mean, even just coming down to these previous highs, you're in the 670 range, right? You're almost 100 points lower. So this is definitely something that is very, very realistic near term for Amazon. So let's keep an eye on this and see if there's any follow through tomorrow. But this looks like a nice start to move towards 625. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.